Hello friends, this is Priyanka. Welcome to my channel. Today I have for you Google Mini. Now I got this as a present from our friends and I was not sure exactly how I will be using it. I mean, initially I didn't think I would have any use of it, but slowly and steadily we have grown really fond of it. Especially my kids, they really like it. They play games on it, play music, ask riddles and whatnot. As for adults, you can always go ahead and it will make it easier for you to set up your reminders, alarms, call anybody if you want to, and it's pretty handy to have. As you can see, this box in which it came, it's pretty compact. This is the Google Mini in itself is not bigger than my palm. It's very lightweight. It came just with a charging pin, and it's a 2-pin plug. Along with it came just some manual, the basic instruction on how to pair it with your mobile or any other device, and it can be paired up with an application called Google Home, and most of the things are pretty simple to do. We did set it up on just the desk, and these lights glow when the Google Mini is active. So we did set it up at the center of our living room, and I'm gonna demonstrate how to use it.
The mic's off. The microphone is back on.
Okay Google, tell me a joke.
Let's see. How do you keep warm in a cold room? You go to the corner, because it's always 90 degrees.
Okay Google, can you ask me a riddle?
What has 5 fingers but isn't alive?
I don't know.
A glove.
Okay Google, what functions do you have?
You can ask me to help plan your day, contact people, control your home, or play media. I'll send a link to the feed tab of your Google Home app with more info about what commands you can give me.
Okay Google, can you talk in other languages?
I speak a few languages, and I'm learning more. To change the language I speak, open the Google Home app. At the top right, tap your profile picture or initial, then Assistant Settings, then Languages.
Okay Google, thank you. Bye bye.
See you soon.
So that's Google Mini. I'll share some details below, but before that, let me show you how we enjoy it at home. Stay tuned. Okay Google, 40% volume up. Okay Google, play a kids dance song. Let's play freeze.
You like this video. For more videos like this, please like, share